Oh, you got a good hit on him.
He's still on me though.
Yeah, I think he. Yeah. He was wobbling. He's not doing good.
No, he's just uncoordinated.
He turned on the.
Yeah, escape lane on the Shika.
Yeah.
The gunner could really 60 shots to him.
I got good hits on him there. Ah, I pulled him off of you, I think. He
Yeah,
got
escape
really
in.
scared.
Clear.
Oh shit, I just went right through him. There's another one.
This guy's still on my 6, like very close.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm covered,
I
I'm
got
covered.
guns on him, just humming here.
Gunner's finally hitting.
I don't want to shoot you while I shoot
I don't want to
this
shoot
guy.
you, escape guns. He's off?
My gunner.
Oh yeah.
No, I'm pretty sure escape got him.
We just tried to put him as near the gunner.
We got another one under here. There's another Chika still alive. He's leaking fuel. Oh no, he just hit the deck. Good job, guys.
I'm with the JUs.
Fish, you're not making it back, are you?
I still got one engine.
Okay.
I got a kill, so.
That was some slick maneuvering there, Chief. They never expect damn thing.
We did not expect the head on.
Oh, he doesn't have a front gun. Fucked.
There are so many freaking targets here.
That's why I said my 6 is so long.
Yeah, the poor guy was really uncoordinated.
There she goes.
Was that, well, Fish, I'll remember you.
If he didn't hit the gunner, I would have absolutely died. But I was just kind of letting him sit there, hoping someone could take clean him off me.
You still here, Escape?
Yeah, I'm still here. I'm still at the train station.
I am.
That's me diving.
Another guy's diving in.
Oh yeah, watch out.
5,
Under
6,
6.
7 or so contacts on the fuel station.
Yeah, watch out. Yak 1's just open.
Yeah, Roger, got visual. Yeah, he's turning on to you. Bring him right, bring him right.
It's not me.
Somebody's guns.
Oh yeah, I see that. Thank you. This freaking J-boat top is hard to. Oh yeah, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them.
He's leaking fuel. I got him off you.
Not me. I don't know who that is.
That's somebody. He flash button. He's going down. I have 2 more underneath me. I need help.
I'm coming down.
I can. Come west.
Ah, shit.
Yeah,
I'm on your 6.
They're still on me.
Just give me a second here.
I'm on the deck running.
I'm intercepting them.
Yeah, get him off me.
Which way are you running though?
I am running west.
Roger that.
I like put bullets into that guy and he didn't care to leave you.
No, I don't know if they're still in tow or not, but I'm running on treetop level.
I've got one on me.
Okay, they peel off me. Going back around.
Yeah, they're on me.
Quite a few high.
Yeah, I see one. He's in a right-hand turn. I'm not sure if that's friendly or not.
I'm in a right hand and they're.
That's not a friendly. That is a Russian. Engaged.
Thank you.
I got 2 diving in from 2K. Shots going out.
Yeah, the one shooting was me.
getting off me.
Somebody check their sex. You're getting a six.
You got two behind you, Escape.
Yeah, Roger. One crashed.
Yeah, get
Escapes
shot
through,
up.
climbing out.
I'm coming back in. You in here, Cody?
I am. I've got a 6.
Where are
Trying
you?
to lose them. I'm over top of the train station. I'm in a right-hand turn.
Like just directly over top the train station? Altitude?
My fucking engine's gonna die.
Basically 0.
I'm looking for two planes. I don't see two planes in a run here.
I think I see you. No.
There's one that's on treetop level. Oh shit, my engine stopped. I gotta bail.
Were you diving on that yak?
Yeah, I was diving on the yak. He's at treetop level.
Yeah, I see him. I was above you.
You gotta try to get guns on here. And I'm dead. Whee! Escape cracked pretty good.